Hello everyone and welcome to my weekly outlook for gold. So as expected, gold pretty much sold off the entire week, and there was nothing really positive in the entire week for gold to to look out for. We had the all important jobs numbers come out on Friday, where we saw some bullish data come out, and even after that, gold kind of bounced higher, but that could be only because it's slightly extended on the daily and on the weekly. Um, so the entire direction of gold would be decided by what happens this week in the Fed meeting with the interest rate decision. We have about 75 to 80% chance of a rate hike, and what we really have to look out for is how gold behaves to that news. If we see it sell off entirely, we would just have to wait to buy it back, or there could also be an opportunity to go short. But if we see gold not reacting to that news and going higher, that would be a great sign for bulls. That would be a good opportunity to pounce on gold and to go long. I've had this belief since gold bounced in the last week of December. I've had this belief that gold's kind of ended its entire bear run and it's entering into a bull market. I've not had technical confirmation yet for that information, but just the way gold's behaved after every piece of news coming out, it just feels like gold's going to enter a new bull run. But obviously, you cannot take trades based on partial information. You really have to wait for technical triggers and a solid trade with a stop to go long. So I'm going to hold um, taking any trades. I'm going to avoid taking any trades till I see something bullish. Saying that I'm obviously biased towards the long side. So my outlook for this week for gold would be just to watch what happens with the Fed minutes, what happens with the interest rate decision. The Fed has been playing as per expectations of the analysts. It's unlike the presidential elections and the Brexit, where what happened was contrary to the expectations of the general consensus. Usually, Fed plays in line, and I do expect a rate hike coming this Wednesday, just based on what everyone's being saying, not based on any new information which I have. So I'm really going to watch closely what happens exactly when the interest rate decision is out, and I am going to take my trade based on that. So just talking shorter term, gold is extended on the daily chart. You can see it here. It's pretty much sold off the entire week. There hasn't been any opportunity to go long. There was certainly an opportunity to go short once it had broken kind of this entire region, where it had a small head and shoulder kind of a setup, not very clean, but it did have an ugly looking chart. On the weekly, what we saw was it kind of just gave an entire strong bearish move, and we can also see it sort of developing this head and shoulder on the weekly. So we'll have to see what exactly happens with gold. If it's not able to form a base somewhere around here, if it's not able to bounce back from here, it could be some trouble. And of course, if it breaks this level, we could definitely see it go towards a sub $1,000 region. So I'm going to be patient for this week. I'm going to see what happens exactly with the Fed meeting, and I'm going to take my trade based on that. So that was it for gold. Make sure you check out my video for oil, silver, and natural gas. And I will see everyone next week. Thank you.